Good afternoon, students. Welcome to our Avirat Classes YouTube channel. I am Mol Kamble, and I will teach you today rotational dynamics chapter again. So, on last lecture, we have seen the different applications of the circular motion and rotational dynamics. So, today we will see the topic as a banking of road. First of all, you need to understand what is a banking and why it is necessary. So, student, whenever you will require any sudden circular track, of course, there is some limitations. Okay. For example, if I am considering this circular track, okay, and suppose here your car is there, they want to take sudden left turn. Let's consider. At this point, of course, there will be some forces will going to act there. This one will be mg, right? And we know that on upward there will be normal reaction. And what about centripetal and centrifugal? Of course, when it will take to the left side, of course, our vehicle will tends to move outside, but it doesn't happen. So, internal force is applying somewhere. This internal force is nothing but the frictional force, Fs. Frictional force, what? It is the force between the tire and the road surface. Okay, because of this Fs, our car is not getting outward. Right, means this mv square by r, this mv square is balanced by fs, so it can take this turn continuously. This is nothing but the normal circular horizontal road, or we can say curve road movement is going. Now our topic is banking of. Suppose एखाद्याला वाटलं की मला याच्यावरून जायचं, एकदम फास्ट जायचं. If it wants to move very fastly, so what happen? It will go to the outside. Mv square by r will be maximum. The car will just go outward. So to what we can say, uh, to allow the vehicle with high speed, we have to give them surface like a curve shape. I will draw one figure here. Let's say, so this is a road, suppose, and this is vehicle. Let's say, and suppose the vehicle want to move from this direction. So what happened? During taking this turn, we have given some road with angle theta. If the speed is more, of course, it will get outward. It will go to this side. If slow speed is less, it will come inside. Right. Of course, there are again two forces. One will be again on downward, mg. Above there is perpendicular to the surface. There will be a normal reaction. We'll say further about friction forces and all. So I will tell you. I have drawn one derivation. I will check here. Okay, here it is. So lecture 1.3, there is definition banking of road. The surfaces of roads are tilted with the horizontal with the some angle theta is called banking of road. So student, banking of road म्हणजे जो नॉर्मल रोड चालला होता आपला, त्याच्यामध्ये आपण टर्न घेताना एखादा रोडची साईड जी आहे ना तिथं चढ करतो, सम अँगल थीटा घेतो आपण, जेणेकरून ते व्हेकल खाली नाही पडले पाहिजे. ओके, आता इथं बघा ना, ती व्हेकल अशी टर्न घेणार आहे, अशी इकडे अशी टर्न घेणार आहे, मग ती बाहेरच्या साईडला जाऊ नये म्हणून आपण हा अँगल थीटा दिला इथं. दिसतंय? बघूया आपण डेरिव्हेशन. हा, So I have drawn one diagram again, same theta. One vehicle is there. N will be the normal. Again, mg will be vertically downward. So n is resolved into two components, n cos theta and n sin theta. Okay. So look at the theta. N and n cos theta is having angle theta. जिथं थीटा असतो तिथली जी फोर्सची व्हॅल्यू असते ती एन कॉस थीटा असते आणि त्याची दुसरी राहिलेली एन साइन थीटा असणार आहे. ठीक आहे, एम जे डाऊनवर्ड. सो जर आपण बघितलं तर व्हर्टिकल फोर्सेस बॅलन्स करण्यासाठी एम जे आणि एन कॉस थीटा सेम असणार आहेत. सो आपण लिहिलं इक्वेशन नंबर 2. इकडे जर बघितलं तर लेफ्ट साइडला एन साइन थीटा दिसतोय हॉरिझॉन्टल फोर्स, बट ऑन अ राइट साइड देयर इज नथिंग, means there is centrifugal force is acting, right? So n cos theta is nothing but mv square upon r we have written here. Okay, here, one second, I will mark it. Hmm. So from equation number 1 and 2, if we divide the both, so of course nn will get cancelled, will get cancelled. Finally, we can have sin theta upon cos theta, that is tan theta v square by rg. So theta can be written as tan inverse of v square by rg, right? So velocity, that is speed limit rg tan theta. म्हणजे त्या बँकिंग ऑफ रोडवरती जाताना पण तुम्हाला काहीतरी कंडिशन्स आहेत. किती स्पीड घेऊन गेलो आपण आणि त्याला बँकिंग दिलं असेल 20 डिग्री लेट्स, तर त्याला चालत नाही, तो पडणार आहे, बाहेर जाऊ शकतो. मग त्याला काय लिमिट्स आहेत, तर तो म्हणतो की व्ही एस इज इक्वल टू आर जी टॅन थिटा. आर इज नथिंग विथ द रेडियस ऑफ दॅट सर्क्युलर ट्रॅक अँड टॅन थिटा इज नथिंग विथ द बँकिंग ऑफ रोड, राईट? So we can calculate that. So again, one more thing is there. Second page is there. On second page, we can see banking of that road, lower speed limit. Okay. So again, the diagram is same. Car is there. The force is applying on that. Okay. The force is nothing but again mg will be vertically downward, and there is an normal reaction perpendicular surface, right? It is resolved in again n cos theta and sin theta over here. Now the condition is, if the lower speed is there, मतलब व्हेकल कॅन मूव टू धिस साइड. उताराने ते खाली यायचा चान्सेस असतो त्याचा. मग पण गाडी उताराला खाली पडत नाहीये किंवा घसरत नाहीये, म्हणजे तिथं अगेन देअर इज सम फ्रिक्शन, राईट? सो फ्रिक्शन कोण देते? अगेन टायर. इन विच डायरेक्शन? अपोजिट डायरेक्शन. आय विल शो हियर. In this direction. In this direction it is. But we are interested in vertical, either vertical or horizontal direction. So we have resolved that. We have resolved this Fs in two components, Fs cos theta and Fs sin theta. But the thing is, which is F cos theta and which one is the F sin theta? So student, you can consider this angle is theta. So near to theta there will be Fs cos theta. Okay, and opposite to that it will be Fs sin theta, right? So again we are making the equation number of equations, like vertical force there is n cos theta and Fs sin theta. Two forces are vertically upward and one force is vertically downward, that is mg. So we have created one equation, mg will be balanced by two forces. Similarly, what about horizontal forces? So in horizontal forces, n sin theta is on left side, Fs cos theta is on right side, and one more force is there. That force is nothing but imaginary force, we can say centrifugal force. Centrifugal force will be, of course, it will be at outside. So if we look this equation, this mv square r by r will be balanced by these two forces, n sin theta and Fs cos theta. So we have written equation number 2. If we solve the equation number 1 and 2 again same by dividing it, will get cancelled. This will be the equation. Again, Fs can be replaced by us sine theta. Friction force definition is there. So instead of Fs, now we have written n cos theta, sorry, mu s n. Again, Fs is equal to mu s n. N will be common and it will get cancelled. And finally, we will get sine theta minus mu s cos theta divided by cos theta plus mu s sine theta. Okay. On left side, there is v square upon rg. But we are interested to calculate lower speed. What should be the lower speed of that car so that it will not get outside, out outwards the track, or it will, should not come at the uh, what we can say उताराला ती गाडी नाही आली पाहिजे. So by taking the under root, we can have the value of v minimum is equal to rg under root rg in bracket tan theta minus mu s upon 1 plus mu s tan theta. Okay, and now if you say, sir, it is the velocity is depending upon the mu s. Mu s is nothing but कोइफिशियंट ऑफ फ्रिक्शन. मतलब बोलले तो टायर आणि रोड मध्ये जे फ्रिक्शन असणार आहे ना, त्याच्यावरती डिपेंड आहे या म्यूएस व्हॅल्यू. मग रस्ता जर तुमचा पूर्ण प्लेन असेल, गुळगुळीत असेल, पाणी सांडलं असेल, ऑइली असेल, तर कोइफिशियंट ऑफ फ्रिक्शन काय असेल त्यावेळेस 0. इफ म्यूएस इज इक्वल टू 0, then what we have written, mu s is 0, then v minimum will be rg tan theta. So you have to remember this equation so that in numerical we can have this. Okay. This is all about lower speed. You can also ask, sir, what will be the maximum amount of speed. मतलब अगर गाड़ी 30-40 तक उसको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, वो जा रही है. अगर एक जन बोल रहा है कि सर मैं 90 का स्पीड ले लूंगा उसका, नो, 90 का अगर स्पीड लेगा तो वैसा ही वो बाहर जाएगा. So there should be some limitation. कितना maximum value है उसका, this value we have to find. So we will check it. One second. There is third page also. Page number 3. Yes. On this page, there is upper speed limit. Again, the diagram is same, students. Be careful. N is there. N cos theta is there. N sin theta is there. Mg is on vertically downward. The thing is difference is Fs. Now Fs is at this side. Why? If the speed is high, कार ज्यादा स्पीड से जा रहा है तो ऑफ कोर्स देयर विल बी सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स एक्टिंग. मतलब वो गाड़ी बाहर फेंकने का चांस है, बाहर आउटवर्ड जा सकती है. बट हमको हमारी गाड़ी बाहर नहीं जानी चाहिए, अंदर ही आनी चाहिए. सो ये एफएस उसको रोकता है. कैसे? फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स एफएस से. ओके, सो एफएस इज रिजॉल्व इन टू कंपोनेंट. सो यू हैव टू कंसिडर द एंगल थीटा हियर. सो हमको पता है एफएस के साइड में जो होता है वो एफएस cos theta होगा, and this one will be f sin theta. So this thing only the change we have written here. Getting. Now the task is to have the equations, right? So पहला vertical देखेंगे हम लोग. Vertical अगर देखते हैं तो we have three forces. n cos theta ऊपर जा रहा है, mg नीचे जा रहा है, और fs cos theta दोनों नीचे जा रहे हैं. So this n cos theta minus fs cos theta will be balanced by mg. दोनों ऊपर जा रहे हैं और नीचे जाने वाला mg है, और we can say minus sign is there. Okay. For the equation number 2, of course centrifugal force mv square by r act हो रहा है, पर गाड़ी बाहर नहीं फेंकी जा रही है. कौन बैलेंस कर रहा है उसको? n sin theta. और दूसरा fs cos theta. So we have created equation number 2. Again same, divide equation number 2 by 1. centrifugal force divide हो जाएगा, m cancel हो जाएगा, बाद में n आने वाला है, कॉमन निकलेगा वो भी, फिर sin theta cos theta आएगा. हाँ, on this step how tan is coming? Students, after this step we have divided the numerator and denominator by cos theta. Now consider first sin theta. Sin theta by cos theta will be tan theta. So I have written tan theta over here. Plus mu s as it is. Cos theta upon cos theta will be 1. So mu s into 1, mu s only. Similarly, on denominator cos theta upon cos theta 1 minus mu s as it is sin theta upon cos theta will be tan theta. Hence, this equation is like this. We are interested in v square only. So we have taken the rg on right side. We will have this equation. So instead of v square max, we will calculate v over there. So it will be the rg under root, under root rg tan theta plus mu s 1 minus mu s tan theta. And again, if the coefficient of friction is 0, again we will have the equation rg tan theta under root. Same, मतलब दोनों का same ही हो रहा है. But the equation change is this. In that equation, previous equation, instead of this plus sign, there was a minus. And here, instead of this minus sign, there is plus. Only two things you have to consider. And you can solve the problem over here. Okay. So confuse हो मत हो students यहाँ पे. 1 second. सो लक्षात घ्या की एफ एस इज नथिंग बट द म्यू एस एन बेसिक फॉर्म्युला. इकडे तुम्हाला रिॲक्शन तयार करायचे कारवरती 2 रिॲक्शन असतात. एक रिॲक्शन असते एन साठी नॉर्मल रिॲक्शन, त्याला रिझॉल्व्ह करतो आपण एन कॉस थिटा आणि साइन थिटा मध्ये. ते एक गोष्ट झाली. दुसरा एम जी कधी पण व्हर्टिकली डाऊनवर्डच असतो हे लक्षात ठेवा. आणि तिसरा म्हणजे तुमचा फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स. गाडी ह्या कमी स्पीडनी आहे इथे. ओके. कमी स्पीडने म्हणजे गाडी खाली पडायचा चान्स आहे. मग नको आपल्याला, तसं खाली पडली नाही पाहिजे गाडी. कोण बॅलन्स करेल? मग त्याला म्यूएस वरच्या साईडला लावला, ओढून ठेवलं त्याला. सो वी हॅव रिटर्न एफ एस. ओके. आणि त्याला रिझॉल्व्ह केल्यानंतर. आणि दुसऱ्या ह्याच्या केसमध्ये काय होतंय, गाडीची स्पीड जास्त आहे, गाडी बाहेर फेकली जाईल या दिशेला. एक सेकंद दाखवतो. या दिशेला फेकली जाईल, पण गाडी आपल्याला बाहेर पण फेकू नाही द्यायची. मग त्याला बॅलन्स को करणार? एफ एस या साईडने. आणि त्याला रिझॉल्व्ह केलं. आणि 2 इक्वेशन बनवा. टॅन थिटाच्या फॉर्ममध्ये तुम्हाला इक्वेशन मिळेल. मुलांनो, दिस इज द इझिएस्ट वे आय कॅन टीच यू, राईट? इफ यू look at our textbook, of course there may be chances of getting confusion, right? So you just follow these steps, write down this step in your notebook, and just the theoretical part is there. You can write by your own, whatever the symbols we have used, you just mention over there. And starting definition you have to consider over here. The surface of roads are tilted with the horizontal with the some angle theta and all. So now my next lecture will be on this banking of road, but with the numerical. Okay. So I hope you have understand the today's topic. Actually, I want to minimize the size of the video, but still we have covered in 18 minutes. Actually, due to whiteboard, I don't have whiteboard right now at my home. So I have recorded this screen and I just trying to reach up to it. Okay. So thank you, students. We will see next lecture on tomorrow. Okay. Bye bye.